Welcome back. Now in this video we're going to work with the design menu, in particular the picture background, to set up for some of the other things that we're going to be doing in the rest of this course. So to get started, we're going to go to the design menu and we're going to insert a new blank slide. And then what we're going to do is we're going to format the background. And we can do that from the design menu. We can then go to this panel that says Format Background. And then you're going to see the picture fill. Now what we can do, of course, is we can take the picture from any file and we can use it to format our background. And of course we can use a transparency. However, there's more that we can do with this photo in our background. So, for example, one of the things we can do is we can tile this image in the background. So we can click this box, and then we'll see our picture tiled across the background of our photo. We can then align the photo inside of this area. So, for example, if we want to align it to the top right, we want to align it again to the top left. Everything is going to be based on the kind of effect that we are trying to achieve. We can also add in artistic effects. So we can go to the next frame over. We can click this link for artistic effects. And if we like one look over the other, we can ask for that look. And you'll see the look change. We can also work with the picture itself. And so we can work with these menus in order to sharpen or soften. We can update the brightness or contrast of the image. So for example, we can make it brighter. We can make the contrast greater. And again, what we're doing is we're playing with the background to achieve the look that we really want to have. And of course, if we don't like any of the changes that we've made, we can always reset our background to plain white. Now again, we can take this entire look and we can apply it to all the slides inside of our presentation, or we can just leave it on the one slide that we have created. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.